I just really wanted to say hi to you guys. And the video I did about, why people are afraid to go to the doctor. I got some comments from some of you guys, and you know that you should be going to the doctor at least once a year, because I also did a video about common signs of diabetes. And that's something you don't want to play with, because that can sneak up on you anytime. Because if you're not eating right, that would be one of the things that, can start happening where you end up getting diabetes. So I want you guys to make sure you go to a doctor, make sure you get checked out, because there's nothing to play with your health. And we are not doctors. We know certain things about our body. We know how we feel. But a lot of times when things are happening inside your body, you don't have a clue to what it is. And so it's best to get your blood work done just to make sure everything's going okay. Don't be afraid, and don't wait long time periods to go see your doctors. I'm so serious about that. And I am an advocate about seeing a regular doctor. Find you a doctor that listens to you and hears what you're saying. Oh, these are my earrings. I thought someone was behind me. And listen to you and hear what you're saying, okay? I want you guys to see my crazy cat. I don't know what she's doing, but she's having one of her little romper room activities going on here today. Baby, what are you doing? Baby. Here she comes. What are you doing? What are you... What are you doing? Why are you running through the house? What's up? What's up, baby? What are you doing? What are you doing? She don't know. Right now I'm getting ready to make some sweet Italian ground sausage, because I had it sitting, I had it frozen. And so now I gotta cook it, because I can't refreeze it, but I don't intend to eat it. Whoops. Let me put my... I don't intend on eating it no time soon. So I thought I better cook it. Cook it, and that way I can just eat it for breakfast. Wake up, put some eggs with it. It's already cooked. Make sausage omelets. But I do want to show you guys some stuff my son got me, and some things my neighbor gave me, which is my friend. We plan on sleeping in the tent, I think Thursday. So she made some peanut butter fudge. It is so good. It's got peanuts in it. And if you like Reese cups, that's exactly what it tastes like. Go ahead and cook that. Then my son went to a crystal shop yesterday, and he purchased me this lavender jade bracelet, and it's from Brazil. What the heck? The thing just went off the radar. Back here. I'm trying a new camera device, and I don't think it's working right. But anyway, he brought me this crystal jade, lavender jade, and it's from Brazil. Isn't it beautiful? I'll take it off so you can see it better. Isn't that pretty? And he got me percussive massage. I don't even know if that's reading right, but let me show you. Look at there. You're not following me. This thing is supposed to follow me, but it's not working. But check this out. This is something that you you can use on tight muscles in your neck. Oh, and it feels so good. It can tickle you. I had it tickling me yesterday. But no, it's really good for like my back. Uh-oh. And it's, you charge it up so you don't have to worry about batteries. And you can massage your neck, your thighs, your calves, your back. And it's quiet. Oh, and it does. It feels really, really good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got those tight muscles after a workout. There you go, right there. Oh, that feels so good. Whew. I wonder if I could put it on my stomach like a, it does tickle. It's so funny. Okay, I'm gonna cut it off. But yeah, this is what he got me yesterday. And let me show you. Here it is, a Therabody percussion massage. It's a handheld. And seriously, the way this works, it does feel like an actual massage when you're done. Because if you've ever, and it comes with 3 different size balls to put on here. Okay. And that's the small one. This one is like for really, like if you have knots in your body, that's good. Oh, let me check my sausage. But if you've ever had a real massage, I am telling you, your body will tingle. It will feel good. It's good for your lymph nodes. And I think you would like something like that. Because massages are very, very good for you. And so that's what that feels like. It's a great way to loosen up some muscles, especially after a workout. But this is some sweet Italian ground sausage. It's 1 pound. And I'm cooking it up so I can put it in the refrigerator or the freezer. Either way, I'll probably put it in the freezer because I took it out thinking I was going to use it for a breakfast, but I didn't. And instead of letting it just sit in the refrigerator and maybe go bad, I thought I better cook it. And so I can freeze it once I cook it. And then when I want it, I can just take it out of the freezer. So that's what I think I'm going to do. Because I do love it in an omelet. It's really good with peppers and onions. So that's what I'm doing today. And I just wanted to say hi to you guys. All right, my sausage is done. Now I'm going to put it in a container. Let it cool. Well, I'm going to cool it off, put it in a container, and put it in the freezer. Okay, so I have it in a container here. I'm going to put the lid on it, and I'm going to put it in the freezer. And that way, anytime I want to make an omelet, or I can make spaghetti and use it with that, it's actually very sweet. I mean, not very sweet, but it's actually sweet Italian sausage. Very good for adding into things. All right, well, I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. I just wanted to say hello. I'm here, and I'm looking forward to our live on Thursday. Thursday is the 28th. So I'm looking forward to our live on the 28th. All right, you guys. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Love you. Bye. Mwah. Look at there. Hey, girl. I have a kitty cat who comes to me. When I say come to me, she comes to me. 'Cause she's my kitty cat. She's that kitty cat. Baby, say hi. Say hi, everybody. Hey, everybody. Say hi. Say hi. She's so sweet. I love you. I love you, baby.